Meaning of histopathology.
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 Histopathology. Histopathology is a branch of pathology that examines biopsy, surgical, and autopsy specimens to diagnose disease at the cellular and tissue level. Histopathological analysis provides a detailed picture of tissue architecture, cell morphology, and cellular activity, allowing for accurate and precise diagnosis and treatment planning. The process usually involves the preservation of tissue samples, followed by fixation, sectioning, staining, and microscopic examination to identify any abnormalities or pathological conditions. Histopathology is an essential tool in modern medicine, helping doctors to make informed decisions about patient care, prognosis, and overall management.